Hi, I'm Charles Tur, MVP Close Mold Specialist, and I would like to invite you to join me for iAcme Innovation Inside the webinar. I will be sharing practical close mold technique focused on production. First, everything we develop is based on production. We focus on production details. Our concern is not to make one part, is to be sure that when customer will be in production, everything will work well. So we focus on production, and that of course change the design of the tools, because to make 1000 part on the mold is a complete different story than to run a demonstration. The second point is, doesn't matter the direction, MVP will have a solution for the closed mold process for the customer. Doesn't matter. Actually, we are looking for some customer who want to inject a part in 1 minute. So we have machine, we have developed that, we work on process and so on. And we have some customer go for very large parts. So it doesn't matter. We have answer with the machine, but we have also answer with the process, according to the fact that it's very complicated to find workers today. And that is not only in US, it's all around the world.